Guys, so we just at Mombasa terminus, like it's the end of our short holiday in Mombasa.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian of Bangkok Musings.
The place is so beautiful, full of hills or mountains.
Back again with another video on how to not seem desperate.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. For the returning subscribers, thank you for coming and supporting my content. And for the new subscribers, watch my videos, comment, subscribe, and do not forget the notification bell. In my today's video, I want to shout out these amazing content creators. They are doing the best, they are doing all they can for content creating out of passion, I believe. Yes, because you can't do just something for you are doing it. You have to have passion, interest. Just a disclaimer, the creators that I'm about to talk about today, it's not like they are my best and the others are left out. It is something that I had planned before, and I felt like these were the first bunch of creators that I'll be talking about in this video. So any other person, don't feel left out, because this is just but the beginning. One of the many to come, right? It is a series, by the way. So for my subscribers, my supporters, feel free to mention any other content creator that you feel I should include, or even have some collab with them. Let's begin. My number one on list is Conga Julie. She talks about the relationship things.
Back again with another video on how to not seem desperate.
And she's an amazing creator. And she does a very, very awesome job.
So number one is to work on yourself. Work on yourself. Radiate confidence. Men find it attractive. If you're so confident when you're doing something, or maybe when you work on yourself and you look so nice and you're confident with whatever you have on your body, or maybe whatever you do and you have confidence, men find it attractive.
So feel free to visit her YouTube channel. Link is down on the description box. Subscribe to her channel to watch what she does best. Number two on the list is Grubs and Hell. These are couples. They do contents about traveling, visiting places. For me, what they do is they are making Kenya known to the world.
Right. Hi guys, so we just at Mombasa terminus, like it's the end of our short holiday in Mombasa. So
all the beauty that is in Kenya, they're bringing them out. So be sure to visit them, support them, and you'll never be disappointed. Then number three, ooh yeah. Number three is Bangkok Musings. This guy really does amazing work. As the name suggests, Bangkok, he's in Bangkok, and what he does is he does bicycle riding across in the country he is. The other thing he does is he visits museums or the ancient places in Bangkok, and his work is also amazing. He really does, and gives details.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian of Bangkok Musings. So I came to check out the ancient Siam. It used to be called the Ancient City. It's considered to be the world's largest museum, outdoor museum. It sits on more than 200 acres of land in Samut Prakan province. Samut Prakan is just next to the Bangkok province, and you can even get here through using the BTS. Get off at the Khay, then they offer like free shuttle service from the train station up until the ancient Siam.
He also does interviews. He goes deep, he digs deep, he takes the risk of most of the people journalists cannot do. I'm just saying. The other person is Kenyan, last Kay. Yeah, this is a comedian and he's an actor. I love his comedy. I really love his comedy, and he is real. Yeah, he's real. Kenyan together with his team does a very amazing work.
Naenda leo na manga kushtaki kwa maleguana ni leo
single man
leo naenda kushtaki
So my people, let's connect with everyone that I'm mentioning in this video today. The other one is Debra. Debra talks about upcountry.
The place is so beautiful, full of hills or mountains. I think it's actually closer to Mount Elgon. So my younger sister is over there. Let me just try to zoom her. So we want to take you with us to the river. They do have wells. So besides the rainwater, besides the rainwater, they fetch water from the river. So I thought of tagging you along with us so that you can see how beautiful the place is and also how we fetch water.
So whenever you want to watch about upcountry things, going to fetch water in the river, life in the country, feel free to always visit Diana. She's an amazing creator too, and she's my friend, and I can assure you that all the content creators that I'm mentioning here or I'm talking about here, they never disappoint. They can never disappoint. They can never afford to disappoint you. So like always, do the same. Next on my list is the Mwakazis. This one has majored more into fitness, majored more into exercise. So whenever you feel like your body needs some fitness and you really don't have a gym to go, a place to go, and you have that space in your house, that space at your compound around your house, feel free, because the Mwakazis gives very awesome ideas, gives very awesome tips on how to keep fit, on how to flex your body. Yes. Next is Detox.
What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl again, Doreen Karuri, and welcome back to Detox Kay.
She's a fierce and fearless lady because she does interviews, makes awesome contents.
Precious.
She's a very amazing content creator. I felt like featuring her in this video is something very good. Another one on my list is The Miracle Family. It's a couple YouTube channel that has majored into pranks. They talk about their lives individually and as a couple. These are very real content creators. These are very risking content creators that have gone out of their way to do anything. Take a look at what they do. And the next on my list is Kijana Mwafrika. Kijana Mwafrika. This guy is amazing because he goes out of his way and does extraordinary things. Can you eat ugali and miwa, ugali and sugarcane? Because I've never tried that. And please, if you can beat Kijana Mwafrika, well and good. I salute you. So Kijana Mwafrika is a comedian, and he is also a poet, and his work is fabulous. Because so if you can beat Kijana Mwafrika, well and good. Challenge is accepted, and you might be the next person in this video. Any random subscribers, supporters, I don't mind. Call me whenever you want me. Reach me out. We shall do something. The next on my list is Sheila Gaki, another amazing creator, another amazing person that does about hotel reviews. She loves traveling. She gives stories of countries across Kenya. And her work, wow, what? Her work is very, very good. So just as I've said before, you just have to witness for yourself. Then the last person on my list is Dinasi Lawrence. Dinasi Lawrence does updates or talks about celebrities, comedian, musicians, in and out of Kenya, Africa.
Kuna short clip ambayo ilitolewa Prince Inda akiwa na Calligraph Jones kwenye studio. So in short, Prince Indah is now going beyond the tribal border
and the world at large, and any updates that is happening, whether in Kenya, whether in Africa, whether in America, he does everything. So Dinasi Lawrence is if you want news, go to Dinasi Lawrence. So whoever you feel that I've not mentioned in this video, any person, content creators in Africa, Kenya, feel free to suggest at the comment section. Everyone, also some social medias, I go by the name King Khay. You'll find me there, and let's interact. Let's show each other support. So in this video, I purposely did this video to support my friends and my other content creators. Until then, wait for the next episode. The next episode will be lit. So together with me, let's decide how and the next episode will be. Until then, bye. Boom.